Crypto and stock markets are crashing as expected. The plan is unfolding. It's obviously not my plan. It's the financial leadership's. It's the Federal Reserve's plan. If it's not clear by now that they can manipulate the market in any direction they want, then it should be. Because right now, they want to manipulate the market down in order to fight inflation and make people spend less money. And it's happening, right? Before, there wasn't a big inflation problem, so they just pumped the market up. No worries. But now they want it to come down. And so because all this stuff is correlated, we do have to look at the stock market if we want to understand what's going to happen to the crypto market. My target is still like a 3,800 handle on the S&P 500. It hasn't even started to move. They want this thing to come down, guys. I'm thinking 3,800 on that asset, and that would correlate to a move of like down to 30K in Bitcoin because of how they are trading together. And so look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. It is out of control, guys. An 11. That is so extreme. If you see it hit like a 99 over here, you got to sell crypto. But right now it's at an 11. People are absolutely afraid. They're throwing the baby out with the bathwater and trading with their emotions and being utterly manipulated by the Federal Reserve. Obviously, the Federal Reserve is raising rates, which is causing this. But once you understand what these guys are doing, once you understand what the leadership is doing, the markets are very easy to understand. It was easy to understand that the markets would pump knowing that the Federal Reserve was propping it up for the last 20 years. Well, now they're doing the exact opposite. But they are going to step in once the market crashes because something systemic is going to break, guys. This is when you get that financial collapse. And they're going to do something to pump the market, at least speak to some sort of outcome that is favorable. And so we just know that's going to happen, and people are getting whipsawed. But in the meantime, stuff is getting thrown out. People are selling the highest quality assets. For instance, check out this news. Meta's Instagram to support NFTs from Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, and Flow. Most people don't even know what Flow is. We've been talking about it for months. And now all the high value NFTs that trade on Flow, the massive network on Flow, are going to spike in value once they start to trade on Instagram. Obviously, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana have massive NFT volume, but Flow is one of the ones we've been talking about. It's a sleeper, and now Instagram is adopting it. And just so you guys have a window into the marketplace, look at the NFT trading volume on May 7th. You have Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Flow. Look at the number of buyers on Flow, almost the same as Ethereum. Obviously, the volume on Ethereum is way higher than Flow, but this is just one of those sleepers, guys, that is going to awaken once the market turns around, once the Federal Reserve decides to manipulate it back.